Everyone, today I'm going to solve an Excel assignment. It's basically Excel chapter 5 of the Pearson MyITLab course. And if you want me to do any other part like Word part, Assess part, or PowerPoint part, or if you want me to do your complete Singlish course, Simnet course, Pearson course, Math course, Stats course, Finance course, Accounting course, Nursing course, Psychology course, you can contact with me. You can contact with me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact with me through my email address. My email address is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given in the start of the video and in the end of the video, or you can directly click on the WhatsApp link which is given in the description of this video. Now I am going to start that one assignment. Its name is Exp19 Excel chapter 5 HOE assessment fine arts. Its project description is given here. You can read it carefully so you will understand what you need to do in this assignment. Now I am going to start from the first step. So by following these steps, you can complete your work. In our first step, he is asking, start Excel, download and open the file name exp19 Excel chapter 5 HOE assessment fine arts. Gradle has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Our first step basically involved the downloading of the Excel file from the Pearson dashboard and opening of that one file. That's our file. I have downloaded and opened that one. That's our first step. In our second step, what is he asking? Before using the subtotal command, the data must be sorted by categories. On the subtotal worksheet, perform a three-level sort by status, then type, and finally by title in alphabetical order. So we will go to the subtotal worksheet. That's our subtotal worksheet. We will open the custom sort. He's asking to use the three level of sort. First level by status, then by type, and finally by title. So first we will select by status, then type, add a second level, select here type, and third one through title. That's our three sorts we need to apply. That's three should be in the alphabetical order by type and finally by title, and we will press OK. That sort is now applied to our subtotal range. That's our step number 2. In our step number 3, what is he asking? You want to subtotal the data to identify the highest issue price, estimated value, and percentage change by the status category and type of artwork. Use the subtotal feature to insert subtotal row by status to identify the highest maximum issue price, estimated value, and change. Then add a second level subtotal by type using the name of same function and column. So we will go to the subtotal feature. We will go to the data tab and we will select the subtotal. Here in the outline we will select, in the group we will select subtotal, and which subtotal he is asking. To insert subtotal rows by status, so first one we will select by status, and what is the sum to identify the highest maximum issues. So we will select highest price, we will select maximum price, and which price is asking to issue price, and issue price and estimated value and change. So we will select estimated value and change. These three values we selected. And what next here? Then add a second level. So first one we will apply OK. That sort is now that's subtotal is applied to our range. Then add a second level of subtotal by type. So we will go to the outline and select subtotal. We will select by change, and what the other thing is asking, by type. We need to select by type, no, not change, by type, using the same things, typing the same function and column. So we need to change the same function and column. So we will select, uncheck the replace the current subtotal and press OK. That's a new sort is applied to our range. That's our step number 3. In our step number 4, what is he asking? You want to apply an outline so that you can collapse values used for the formula in the column F. Then you will collapse the subtotal row. Apply an auto outline. So we will select an auto outline. We will select we will select auto outline. That's now apply to our range. Click the collapse button above the column F. So we will click on the column F. So that's now collapsed. What next he is asking to do? Collapse the data by displaying only the subtotal and grand total row. So we will collapse the data by only subtotal. That's our subtotal and grand total. That's our subtotal and grand total. Set the print area to select the B4, B1 to F48. So we will select the B1 to F48. That's our. We will go to the page layout and we will select the set print area. That's selected B1 to F48. That's now selected. That's our step number 4. That's our step number 4. We need to move now step number 5. That's our step number 5. A pivot table can give additional perspective to data. You will use the art worksheet to create a recommended pivot table. So we will go to the art worksheet. That's our art worksheet. We will use type a new worksheet name as a and create the recommended pivot table called sum of the issue price by type. So we will go to insert tab and we will select the recommended pivot tables. That's our recommended pivot tables. Which one we will select? We will select sum of the issue price by type. So we will select sum of issue price by type. That's our sum of issue price by type. We will select that one and press OK. That's our new pivot table is inserted to a new sheet. Type the new sheet name as a sold out. So we will copy that one and paste it as a new sheet name sold out. What next? Mac user. That's for a Mac user. Name the pivot table as a art type. So we will copy that one and paste it as a name of the pivot table as a art type. That's in the art pivot table name. So you will type here the art type. What next he is asking? Status field in the filter area. So you should be checked status field in the filter area. So we will type the status field in the filter area. What next he is asking to do? The estimated value in the column area. Estimated value. No, these are for Mac user. You need to complete up to that one and then select that one and change the name. No need to enter the status in this one. That's our step number 5. We will move to our step number 6. What is he asking? Currently, the pivot table contains the issue price field. You will add the estimated value to the compare the difference between the total values of the art based on the issue price and estimated value today. Add the estimated value field below the sum of the issue price. So we will select estimated value field below the issue price. That's our estimated value. We will put that one, drag that one downside to the sum of issue price. So we have got the sum of estimated value also. That's our step number 6. In our step number 7, what is he asking? You want to display the average values instead of sum of the values in the each category. Modify the two values to determine the average price, issue price, and average estimate value by type. So change the name average issue price and average estimate price. So we will go. First one we will select sum of issue price. We will select view field setting. Change that one name of that one average issue price and change the value sum to average and press OK. That's our first one. For the second one we will copy the average estimated value. We will copy that one and select that one downward and select value field setting. Change the name here as average estimated value and change the value to average and press OK. These two values we have got. That's our step number 7. In our step number 2, what is he asking? Format the two value field with the counting number format with the 0 decimal places. So we will again select that one, right click on that one, go to the view field setting and go to the number format and select the counting number format with the 0 decimal places and press OK. That's now applied. For the second one, do the same. Value field setting, go to the number format and select a counting number format with how many decimal places, 0 decimal places. We will select 0 decimal places and OK. That's our step number 8. In our step number 9, what is he asking? The summary sheet is designed to display two key average from the pivot table on the summary worksheet. Display the summary worksheet. So we will go to the summary worksheet. That's our summary worksheet. What next he is asking to do? In the cell B2, insert a get pivot table function that reference to the cell C4 of the pivot table in the sold out sheet. So we will go to the cell here. That's our cell. We will put is equal to. We will go to the sold out worksheet, and which value he is asking to get the C4 value. So we will select the cell C4 and press enter. So we have got our value from the cell C4 of the sold out worksheet. That's our step number. And in the cell B3, insert a get pivot table function to reference the cell C9 on the pivot table worksheet of the sold worksheet. So we will put is equal to, we will go to the sold out and we will select the cell C9 and press enter. So we have got our value, grand average value. That's our step number 9 complete. In our step number 10, what is he asking? Some art is still available, but most is sold out. You want to create a filter to focus on sold out. Display the sold out sheet. So we will go to the sold out sheet. That's our sold out sheet. What next is add the status field to the field list in the filter area. So we will add the status field to the filter area. That's our status field. We will put to the filter area. Set the filter to display the art that is sold out. So we will select only the sold out. We will select the select multiple item, select all, and we will select sold out and press OK. That's our sold out. uh, that our status sold out we have got from the we have got in the pivot table. That's our step number 10. We have total 23 steps in this assignment. I have performed 10 steps in this video. If you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, or if you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't have time to do that one assignments, or if you want me to do your complete SimNet course, Singlish course, Pearson course, math course, stats course, finance course, accounting course, nursing course, psychology course, or QuickBook course, you can contact with me. You can contact with me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact with me through my email address. My email address is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. Or you can directly click on the WhatsApp link which is given in the description of this video to directly come in my inbox. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get new video updates. Thank you.